Hi, so this is the app that I made for my open source Sunday submission. So basically, when you open the app, it features a sidebar which shows a navigator, which takes you to a what it does Notion page as well as a GitHub and a contact us page. So basically, this is a mail to link. So when you click on it, it will take you to a window where you can directly mail me on my address, which will already be put in the field. And this uses a WhatsApp API to just click on WhatsApp, and then it will open WhatsApp web to send me a message on my number, which is already entered. So now for the app, we can actually cross this sidebar. And what we can do here is that this is basically the landing page of my website, which is called Paratools. And what this does is it provides a bunch of features to get value out of your app. So what I have is in here, I already have this demo paragraph pasted. So I'll just copy paste it in here. So I have this demo text in here, and let me copy it. Okay. Okay, so there it is. And now what I can do is I can click on submit. So it has submitted it and it tells us to just scroll down after pressing submit, which is here. And so now we can see the four tools that are a part of my submission. Number one is the text to speech. So basically it has already generated a summary audio, which uses the Google text to speech framework to transcribe my summary. So in fact, we can hear a 10-second preview or something.
Sequence of instructions written in a proper language through which the computer can understand and solve the problem given to it. It is the method by which the whole computing process is
Okay, I think
directed
that
and
should be enough.
controlled.
So now let's come to the next feature, which is the summary. So when we click on summary, this changes and we get a nice scrolling bar where we can actually adjust the summary. So this is what this basically means is that when you select 30, which is the default option, you say that you want your summary to be 30% of the paragraph length. So it's in bullet pointers for ease of use. So there are 6 bullets in here. Now what I want is maybe I want a more detailed summary. So I can just take this to like 60 or something. And now it will automatically change it to 60 and see more points. That's it. So this is a really useful feature, and I've defined some use cases in the what it does documentation. Now coming to the paragraph question and answer chatbot. So this says, hey, I'll answer all your questions regarding the text you just entered. So enter question. We can do something like what is machine language, which was a part of the paragraph. So press enter, and there we go. Each computer can understand one language known as machine language. And there's another sentence related to it, which I put. Machine language contains the use of numeral codes, and each computer has its own machine language. So that's how convenient it is. You can use it for comprehensions and stuff like that. Now coming to the keyword graphs. So now by default the option is 10, and that means you want to plot 10 of the most used keywords in this paragraph. And there you go, you have a great pie chart showing the 10 most used keywords in your paragraph. So we see here that program and language and computer are the most used ones. What we can do is we can reduce this to 6 or 5 to see the 5 most used ones, and that's it. Program is the most used out of these. And in fact, I just made this little tweak so that when we change it to one, it changes the grammar over here, and it says the there's no point in. So what this basically tells you is which is the most used uh, keyword in this paragraph. So that's basically it for the functionality, and that's the UI I built. There's the small logo in here, and yeah, that's the GitHub which you already have the link for. This is the what it does Notion page as I already explained, and that's it. Thank you.